Please give it up for the lovely, wickedly talented Aubrey Peeples!
Hey.
Oh.
Mwah, mwah. Fab boo, babe. You look fab boo.
Thank you.
John Wayne once said, "I believe in white supremacy until blacks are educated to a point of responsibility." Why did you retweet that?
I did not retweet that.
Okay, it says it in my notes, so.
No. Well, that's wrong, because I don't.
Aubrey, give us some stories from set at Sharknado.
From Sharknado?
Yeah! You were on that?
Yeah, I was on that. It was very fun. We were...
All right, it's time to play Pick a Hot Chick's Briefcase! All right, pick a lady, pick a gal.
Number 2.
So you sing. You good at it?
Am I good at it?
Yeah.
I hope people think I'm good at it.
Let's sing a song.
Okay. Oh.
God, let's go to the other one.
That was the end of the song?
Yeah.
No. Yeah.